The cost of lithium-ion batteries in the US alone is $1.2 billion in damage a year. Well, we're seeing those fires actually go up, and we're protecting 7% of the market. So we know that, we're not having them in our facilities. We've had 2 in, 10 years. The reality is what makes us different is that we are the integrator. We do everything. We're maintaining it. We're making sure there's a heartbeat with the system if something goes wrong. So we use the thermal cameras, the optical flame detection, and then we're looking for smoke. Most systems don't do that because they can't have false alarms, where our system has never once had a false alarm. We're really spending those 10 minutes ensuring that the fire is getting fought, but it's getting fought safely. So we're not telling you what to do with your people. Your people might come in and fight it. Your people might walk out and call up the fire department. Whatever they decide to do, we're reacting within them. And usually it's easier for us if there's a real explosion. So we're constantly reacting to this fire specific circumstances. And that's really what makes it a smart monitor. I mean, the reality is that you have all these batteries out there. There are trillions and trillions of batteries, right? How many earbuds have been sold? Multiply that times 3. And then in 2018, we saw publicly reported fires in the US and Canada go up. And then they also went up in Japan. They also went up in other parts of the world. So that was really the initial kind of wake up call for the waste and recycling industry. When you're trying to become part of the sprinkler system, and we have over 200 systems that are set up where the fire rover is either the primary or as part of the primary because it's been approved as an alternative use, as good or better than in this type of occupancy than the alternative that would be required. But you don't know. It could be a gasoline tank. Somebody could throw away 1,000 batteries and toss them into a trash can that comes out of someone's home. Really trying to innovate and understand something that's going to work, that's going to meet and exceed standards at all times, because that's really what the fire protection industry requires. That's really the hardest part of all this. And once you prove that your system works, and then you have a way to ensure that it lasts and it can continue to last for a long period of time, that's the place everybody's looking towards. And, very few products actually make it to that. We learned so much from going through the process of getting FM certification, right? We understood we had to test to 6 different standards. So now, instead of having 6 different integrators, you have one company that has all these different pieces. That includes your control center, it includes your fire panels, it includes your monitors, and everything is literally integrated and certified. So that really gives us kind of the ability that we know that our system's going to work. It's got all the backups needed, because that's really one of the things that you can't have the system not work, because again, we guarantee that our system will work when it's needed.